It's nice, it's nice. I'd like to thank the team at Equinox, no, sila Direct Z, and yeah, the entire team. It's very nice. I'm very pleased with it. I like the vibe. I like everything about it. So yeah.
Yes, we are so excited to see it. But then we had just a quick preview, first dibs for us dito sa Dolphy Theater for our music video launch. By the way, I forgot to acknowledge earlier, friends from the media, thank you also for being here. But then later on, we will officially post or open our music video of Cine at 7 p.m. It will be posted on ABS-CBN Star Music's YouTube channel. Kaya naman guys, don't forget to head on over there at 7 p.m. And also don't forget to subscribe and follow us as well on Instagram at Star Pop. Congratulations, Christoph. So excited for later, 7 p.m. How many hours left? Wow, 3 hours left until our official music video of Cine will be launched. But ngayon naman, like what I mentioned earlier, we acknowledge our friends from the media, Christoph. So now I'm going to be opening the floor to our friends from the media for some of their questions. So, meron din ako listahan dito ng mga may tanong. Okay, let's call on Chris Ramos of One Music. Hello, Sir Chris. Kamusta?
Hi, Christoph. First question ko, how would you describe your music and who would you consider as your musical influences?
Yung genre ko po is alternative rock, and my biggest musical influences are the Beatles and Queen. Thank you both for that question.
And last question, since Cine yung team natin ngayon, what would you consider as your favorite movies?
I'm a very big fan of the Rocky franchise. I also like Jurassic Park. My taste in movies is very shallow, so anything pleases me naman. Ayun, especially Rocky. I like Rocky.
Thank you so much, Sir Chris of One Music. Ngayon naman, from Kapamilya Universe, John Bermejo. Hello po, Sir John.
Hi, good afternoon. First question ko, ano yung advice ng parents mo na si Landis at si Christopher bago ka maging part ng showbiz or music industry?
Ayun, sakto si Dad nandito, iiyak yan, tingnan nyo. Lagi sinasabi sa akin ni Daddy, paa sa lupa, mata sa langit. Yeah, tapos, syempre si Mom, very supportive, always stay humble, typical stuff. Pero most of all, I'm very grateful kasi they never gave me any pressure to go on this path, no? And talagang gusto ko talaga i-share yung music ko with the world and with an audience of mine. So, yes po. I hope that answers your question.
Thank you so much, Sir John of Kapamilya Universe. Next, we have Clarence of Push. Yes, hello, Miss Clarence.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
So, my question is, since music is an industry that's very competitive, I'd say, how do you want to be remembered as a musician?
I want to be remembered as someone loud, someone energetic, and slap to the face. Hope that answers your question.
All good na po. Alright, thank you so much, Clarence of Push. And last, we have here Miss Anna Padua of Mix. Hello, Miss Anna.
Hello, Christoph. So I have two questions. So the first one is, it's been mentioned since earlier that you started writing songs at the age of 15. So can you tell us a bit more about what motivated you to start songwriting?
It was very hard for me to start, no? Kasi as someone who, takes on a lot of different things at once, you want to try to avoid all the mistakes as much as possible. So you're trying to look for that the perfect way to do it. But then I realized that you'll never find it unless you start. And that's what I did. I started with a really crappy song back then. No? Pero nung pandemic, I felt something. And then nilatag ko lang siya on paper. And something came out of it. And I'm very proud of that. That song in particular is Take Care. So, yeah. Hope that answers your question. Thank you.
Yes. So my second question is, among the 6 tracks of your EP, which one would you say best represents your music style the best and why?
I would say, it's a very hard question. Well, first and foremost, the whole EP represents me. I think it's a perfect mixing pot of all my different character traits. But I would say, and Sira, I like the sound of it. It's very early 2000s alternative. And I also like Sina. It's very playful. It's very me also. So yeah, of course, Take Care.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Anna. And we would like to open the floor. Last 2 questions from our friends from the media. Yes, if you guys have a question, please raise your hand and introduce yourself and the media you're representing.
So sir po,
Hi, boy, Cesar. How are you?
Net 25 is, Christo, we know na from the very beginning na ito talagang tatahakin mo yung music. Talagang yung genre mo, talagang ito talaga, or you're trying other genres?
Ako kasi, I've never been one to close myself off to change, no? I listen to a lot of different kinds of music. So, yung genre ko po, it's very, sabihin natin, it's quite ambiguous in a way. You can't really say na isa siyang ganito or isa siyang ganito. Marami akong ibang mga elements na dinadagdag sa music ko. And I'm very proud of it na ganun yung, that's the way it comes out, no? Yes po, to answer your question, I want to be remembered for this genre I'm producing right now or I'm creating right now. And I think when people step into a genre, they never really subject themselves to that genre lang. They add something more to it. Kasi we're all different, di ba? We all have different things we want people to feel when it comes to music. So, yeah, to answer your question, yun nga po, I'm not closing myself off to any change. But just know that I will never be monotone.
Then my second question is, meron ka bang mga dream collaborations in terms of songwriting, in terms of us, sa pagkanta? Since that you are under Star Music.
Yeah, well, dream collab ko hopefully very soon. Sir Chito Miranda, Sir Eli Buendia, ayan, kung nakikinig man kayo. I'm a huge fan po, and really love their music, no? And I'd really say na sila yung influence ko sa OPM. Yeah.
Thank you so much po. And last question? Yes, meron po.
Tatanong ko na lang po kung since nasa music po kayo tapos ngayon, yung parents nyo po is nasa acting po, may in the future po ba, meron po ba kayong balak pasukin yung acting?
Right now, when I established my career po sa music industry, pero di ko naman sinasabi na i-close off ko yung sarili ko sa mga acting opportunities. I'm always going to be open. And I really do respect the art, no? It's a really challenging art to hone. Pero sa akin kasi right now, ang puso ko ay nasa musika. So dito muna ako as of now.
Next question ko naman is yung yung best advice na natanggap niyo po sa magulang after pasukin niyo?
Nga po, huwag magbago. Always stay humble. Paa sa lupa, mata sa langit. Yun po. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much to our friends from the media for joining us today. And thank you for your questions. I hope we got to learn more about Christoph Somaru. Again, this is the Cine Music Video launch. Before we let everyone go, okay, Christoph, I'm sure you have some things to promote.